All right, guys, welcome to the second lab for Unit 4. We're going to do some more Unix work. Or Linux, Unix, same difference, just Linux has the graphic user interface. So after a lot of hair pulling from my end and trying to figure stuff out why it wouldn't work, I got it to work. So now I'm going to walk you through basically creating a server using Ubuntu here. So we're going to install something called Samba. Samba is a software. So let me make a few notes on my side. Let me pause this. I'll come back, okay? So at this point, you may have done the first lab and you still have everything open, you want to get this lab done, that's fine. As always, sudo apt update because it's, a universal feature, right? Installing as not to install. So once it's done, it'll be done. Then after that, we're going to install something called Samba. We're going to go sudo apt install Samba. This will be one screenshot. It'll be listed, don't worry. So you're going to run enter. The screenshot I want is this. Mine's already installed, but let's say installed, cool, ready to go. And mine was upgraded, or not upgraded, it's already there. So now I want to find out where is Samba. What's a command? Where is Samba? And that's the other one I want. I want to see this. So I need to get that. I should get this whole string. So now that I'm there, I need to set it up. So what you're going to do before that is you're going to make a share on this or on your Linux machine. So it's going to make, sorry, typing in Windows, so we have left. Do make mkdir, make directory, path it to your home. That's where the folders are located in Linux. Your username, mine is Bob, because I use Bob for everything. I'm going to call this Samba Share 2. The reason I'm calling it 2 is because I already have 1. So enter. It's been created. Cool. That'll be another screenshot. So let me make a note. Then now we're going to need to configure it. So to configure this, it isn't too hard. Don't worry. I'm going to have all these instructions linked. Sudo nano /etc /samba /sbm.config. So this brings up the Samba configuration. Like, oh, what is this text file? In Linux, this is how you do most of your configurations, is through this kind of window normally in terminal. So this is just a reader built in. And at the bottom, you're going to write this in here. So scroll down to the very bottom. Don't worry. Then you're going to do bracket, Samba share, bracket. You're going to hit enter. It goes here. This will turn green. Then tab over to comment equal Samba on Ubuntu Samba share. I'm going to switch this one to just so you can see what I'm talking about. Then I'm going to hit enter. Oops. And then I go to the next thing, that. And when I'm done, I'm going to hit, mine is 2 because I'm making a second folder. You don't have to put 2, please no. Unless you want to. Do Control-0 to save. So, sorry, I have to put my Windows. Control-0 to save, and Control-X to exit. Do I want to say modify? Yes. Right to it? Yes. Enter. You get back to the terminal screen. So we're at that part. Now we need to make an account. I know I'm going really fast, but it's just because I have a tutorial in front of me for this. It's been a while. So sudo smd password -a, then the username for your computer. Mine's Bob. So Bob, I'll leave Bob's new password for the remote access to this folder. Enter. Type it in again. Enter. I don't need a screenshot of that. So now we're at this part. You want to access it from your Windows machine. Let me pull my Windows VM here. I already tested it. It worked on the first one, but what I have to do, if I have it running, I have to restart it. Reason being, for some reason, Windows won't pick it up until you restart. Now on the restart, I want to show you how to path into it. This shouldn't take more than a few seconds here. So that's why you need the IP address. I need to dismount that. You need the IP address of it. So to get your IP address, go back into your Ubuntu machine, click up here on networking, click on wired settings. Go to network, go to the cogwheel. So mine's 192.168.1.28. Yes, that has to be a screenshot, I know. I have to have deliverables, guys. I know this is going really quick. It's just simple labs for this week, guys. I know you guys have midterm here and other things to do. We're approaching the final, so don't worry. I'm probably not going to give you labs in the 6th week. I'm thinking about it. So anyways, now that I'm back in Windows after I restarted, I'm going to File Explorer. Because if you go to networking here, I'll show you what's on my network. I don't mind. It doesn't pick up the Ubuntu machine for some reason. This is everything I have on right now for some reason. No, living room TV's turned on. That's cool. I have a bunch of crap on my network at home, but I don't want that. I want to path to it. So / 192. See, I was already doing it. It should be 29. Enter. Oh, 29 is this machine. I apologize. It's 28. Enter. Yes, I'll need a screenshot of this too. I know. Samba share, the first one. It'll work. I'll double click it. It's gonna pop up to this window. Yeah, I need a screenshot of that window too. So and then I'm gonna type in Bob. I'm gonna type in my password for Bob. Look, I'm in there. Now for the final test to make sure this is working. New test doc. And I'm gonna write in it. I'm gonna put hi Bob. It's a test. You don't have to put this in there. You can put whatever you want, but just keep it within reason. I don't want to see any weird names or weird phrases. So I saved it, right? I made that in there. Let me go to my Linux machine. I'm gonna go back in here, go to here, and there's Samba here. There's the second one I made, but it's just so you can see how it works. And there's a document. Let me open it. Oh dear. Did it not take it? Give me a second, guys. Maybe did I not save? Some more. Oh, I did it. My bad, because I have it open. Save. Close it. Now let me go back to my Linux machine. It should work hopefully. Let me access it again. Samba share. Oh, I guess not. Let me leave a message then. Let me try it backwards. Save. Close. I mean, it shared the file. It's working, but just for some reason that isn't coming up. I'm going to go to Bob. No. Huh. Oh, well. It was as far as we got, unfortunately. Let me refresh. Let me do... I'm just messing with this at this point, but as long as you get a document there, I guess that's fine. Let me do a folder. Let me see if Linux sees it. Go back in. Samba share. No. That's interesting. Very interesting. Let me see if Samba share 2 has it for some weird reason. Oh yeah, so it is Samba share 2. My mistake, guys. Sorry. You should say Samba share 1. So if I go in here, look, see. So it worked. So yeah, it should work on your end too. I apologize for that confusion because I was doing the second share. I just changed the pointer. And there's a test folder I just made. So you can put a folder in it. You can put a test document if you want to as well to test it and make sure it works. And look, we can delete it. I'm gonna delete the folder. Just delete. Move the trash. Deleted, right? Now let me double check it. Let me go to Bob. Look, it's gone. So it worked. Cool beans. I ain't gonna worry about it. All right, guys. That's all there is for this one. I will link the tutorial from Ubuntu as well. You can also use my video as a reference. If you need help, just reach out. Till then, guys, good luck on the midterm. I will catch you in Unit 5. Take it easy.